Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best motorized wheelbarrows that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the L-Faster Off-Road Rough Wheel Electric Wheelbarrow Scooter with a 10-inch wheel and a 24-volt, 36-volt, or 48-volt, 350-watt motor. This product features a brushless motor known for its durability, high efficiency, and extended lifespan. The bright and modern design makes it stand out, while the high-quality materials ensure it's less prone to breakage. Installation is a breeze with no tools required, making it simple for users to get started right out of the box. In terms of performance, this motor kit offers reliable off-road functionality, perfect for rough terrain. At just 12.65 pounds, it's lightweight compared to other motorized wheelbarrow kits, making it easy to transport and maneuver. However, its 10-inch rim diameter and load index rating of 1,000 may not be sufficient for heavy-duty hauling tasks. For casual gardeners or homeowners who need occasional help carrying lighter loads, this could be a practical choice. The pros of the L-Faster Off-Road Rough Wheel Electric Wheelbarrow Scooter include its brushless motor, ease of installation, and lightweight build. However, its smaller wheel size and limited load capacity make it less ideal for professional landscapers or users with heavier demands. If you need a basic motorized wheelbarrow kit for light tasks, this is a solid option. Coming in at number 4 is the SWEDI Wheelbarrow Electric Motor Kit. This model boasts a 408-inch pneumatic tire, a 36-volt, 230-watt motor, and an impressive torque of 97 Newton. What sets this kit apart is its reverse function and e-brake, providing added safety and flexibility when maneuvering. The 3 assistant levels on the display make it user-friendly, allowing you to adjust the speed between 5 km per hour and 7 km per hour based on your needs. The build quality is solid, with a durable shaft holder for easy mounting and minimal mechanical noise during operation. However, the kit weighs 15 pounds, which is manageable but slightly heavier than some competitors. While the performance is reliable and smooth, it's worth noting that the controller has a current limit of 13 amps, meaning your battery should match or fall below this specification for optimal results. This product is ideal for medium-duty gardening or hauling tasks, especially when precision and control are important. The SWEDI kit is a great choice for users who value safety features like the reverse function and e-brake. Its pneumatic tire enhances traction and stability, but the mechanical noise and specific battery requirements may be a drawback for some. Overall, it's a versatile and dependable option for gardeners and homeowners tackling moderate workloads. At number 2, we have the L-Faster 36V 48V 350-watt 500-watt wheelbarrow cart gear hub motor kit with a 14.5-inch wheel. This model offers versatility with its dual voltage compatibility, 36V and 48V, and a powerful 350-watt motor, capable of handling off-road terrain. The gear hub motor is designed for efficiency and smooth operation, making it ideal for users who need reliable performance on uneven surfaces. With a weight of 15.4 pounds, it strikes a good balance between portability and durability. Customer reviews rate this product highly for its ease of use and dependable performance. The larger 14.5-inch wheel diameter enhances stability and traction, while the gear hub motor ensures consistent power delivery. However, the kit's assembly may require some technical knowledge, which could be challenging for beginners. Additionally, while it's a great choice for off-road use, it might not be the best option for users focused solely on lightweight gardening tasks. The L-Faster 36V 350-watt motor kit is a solid choice for those who need versatility and off-road capability. Its pros include a powerful motor, larger wheel size, and reliable performance, but its assembly complexity might deter less experienced users. If you're looking for a motorized wheelbarrow kit that can handle rough terrain, this is an excellent contender. Finally, at number 1, we have the VEVOR Wheelbarrow Cart, which combines affordability and functionality in one impressive package. Priced at just $159.99, this model features a 6 cubic foot tray with a load capacity of 330 pounds, making it perfect for a variety of tasks, from gardening to farm use. The heavy-duty metal frame and durable PP plastic tray ensure longevity, while the solid foam tire with deep treads guarantees excellent traction on all terrains. The padded handle is ergonomically designed for easy control and balance, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Performance-wise, this wheelbarrow delivers reliable results for medium-duty tasks. The solid foam tire is explosion-proof and leak-resistant, ensuring smooth operation without the hassle of flats. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the included instruction guide and screw kit, though tools are required. Its lightweight design, at 36.6 pounds, makes it more manageable compared to heavier models, yet it's still sturdy enough to handle demanding workloads. The VEVOR wheelbarrow cart is the perfect blend of affordability, durability, and performance. Its pros include the ergonomic design, solid tire construction, and ease of use. On the downside, the load capacity may not suffice for larger professional projects, and assembly tools are not included. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet dependable motorized wheelbarrow, the VEVOR is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.